Hi guys, I'm here at On The Move Fitness. This is Rick Pierre's gym. He's over there. And today we are going to be adjusting Kari. You have not been adjusted in a while, right?
Right.
Okay. And you have some things going on here. You said you wrote a novel for me.
Yeah, yes. I have a whole book, whole genre.
We got her whole book of problems right here. You have low back pain, right knee pain, left shoulder pain.
I've had acupuncture, I've had physical therapy, dry needling, you name it. I've had every single thing. So it just helps me not to have to take pills and stuff because I don't like to take pills.
Okay, so it's helping you at least get through life.
Exactly, and make it more tolerable.
Okay. My goal for you today is to do a little bit more than that. Hopefully get you complete pain relief. We'll see. We'll see how you do. When I press in here, is this tender at all? Or are you doing all right?
Right there.
On this side, okay. Ooh, this muscle in here. Okay. I actually brought something we're gonna use on you. Hang on. Let's see here. You laughing or crying? Laughing. Yeah. So tight. Let me just see. There we go. She's squirming away. Alright. I'm just doing this for a second so we can see if these muscles will relax a little bit here. Let me see. Alright. We're gonna start up in here. All right, take a deep breath in for me. Breathe out all the way.
Oh.
There we go. I'm just feeling in here.
Oh. Oh.
I think we're making her nervous over there. She's like, ah! And put your head down. All right. Okay. Good. So you're gonna take a deep breath in, and then breathe out all the way. Good.
Oh.
All right. Yes.
Oh.
Keep your head relaxed there. Thank you. How you doing?
Oh, wow. Never had that done.
I know, and I can't really warn you because then, doesn't it?
Oh my
Maybe
God.
move your hair. Keep your head relaxed there, friend. Amazing, huh?
I feel taller. I feel like I just got my height back. Oh, yes.
It's great, huh? Yes. Well, while you're laying there, I'm gonna check your knees, okay? Let you like bask in that for a second.
Oh, yeah.
Hopefully we didn't scare you away.
I'm a little nervous.
Oh, no, that was one. Yeah.
Tell her how that felt.
You need to get that.
Yeah, okay.
A1.
Remember I said that's most people's favorite thing? Yeah.
Yes. I need to talk to my chiropractor
Yes.
about that. Like, hey, you need to get
Can I take your sneakers off? Can I pull them off here? Or are they actually I probably have to do that. Let's see. Ooh, what do we got on the socks? Oh, okay, we got Scaredy Pants and Hey Boo.
I have to have mismatch. If they're matching, then it's laundry day.
Really? So I wear all my socks inside out.
See, you gotta be cool.
You know,
it's
it's weird for me if I don't wear them inside out. All right, let's see. Ooh, ankles too. Your neck still feeling amazing up there?
Yes,
Yeah.
it is.
Let's see. So I like to check ankles and all the bones in your feet and your toes, because with any kind of like knee issues or low back issues, if there's a misalignment in your ankles or your feet, sometimes this is not where you're going to feel the pain, but it'd be, you know, in the joints higher up. I'm going to check both your knees, actually. Have you had your knees adjusted?
No, nothing. No.
Okay, let's see here. That's fine there. This is the one that bothers you right now. All right, keep your leg totally relaxed. Your leg's still relaxed?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Tell me how you feel right now.
Like I don't feel it in my my lower back. I don't feel it. I was really feeling it before, but yeah.
It feels good right now?
It feels really good.
Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oop, but you gotta keep your hand right there. One more time. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that's fine there. Let me check this one too. Same thing, your hand stays there. 1, 2, 3. There we go. So that one needed it a little bit. Let me check your elbows too. You can keep this arm relaxed.
My problem shoulder too.
Yeah, so did you feel how that moved in there? Which is good. Hopefully it reset everything. And your elbow. Ooh, look at those nails.
Myself, yeah.
Wow. Go walk down towards Rick and walk back and tell me how you feel.
First off, my feet are straight, and my feet normally walk like that.
You walk like that, so that's good.
So that's different, and normally I feel it in all week. All week, I've been feeling the pain in my inner knee, and I don't feel
You don't
it
feel
right
that?
now.
Good.
I don't feel it right now.
So this is what it feels like to be properly aligned.
Yes.
You feel like move your head around a little bit.
And this is a lot looser as well. So, oh my gosh, yes, because before I was like stuck like that. So yeah, oh my god, yeah. I feel so much better.
Good,
Like,
awesome.
So much better.
Good,
That was
good, good.
even after a 2-day break of a workout. So yeah.
Good. Awesome. So we'll see how you do. But thank you
Thank
for
you so
letting. You are welcome. Thank you for letting me adjust you.
Thank you.